Namaskar, all of you audience and readers of all ages accepted my due respect, love, affection and greetings. In a joke society in India, there is a lot going on in social media that after the lockdown is over, everything will gradually open, but will the eyes of blind devotees be opened? Here I will be talking about some laughs and jokes as well as some serious information enhancing things. So please subscribe the channel before proceeding. You like, share, subscribe and comments are a big help to us. I am AP Bharti from Uttarakhand, India. For the last 40 years, I have been writing for magazines and feature agencies across the country. I have been doing freelance writing, news collection, editing, photography, newspapers publishing, operating and managing etc. Analyzing current affairs. I have also been critical of the anti-people policies of the government. Apart from sorry, apart from this, I have been actively participating in social mass movement. I have been with the people in uh, happiness and sorrow. Today, our country, India, is in the most cruel and deplorable phase of its history, and our central government has worked hard to bring the country and its people in this dire situation. Instead of providing employment, they have been snatched away. They have handed the people to do their business freely, promoted social discrimination, violence, lies, hatred, wastage have increased a lot during the 7 years of this government. Lakhs of people have died due to negligence, mismanagement and anti-people action of the government. Due to the action and statements of the head of the government and his associates, India's reputation has been tarnished all over the world. Thus, we Indians are living in a very dark, frightening and chaotic era. Every day we are subjected to various kinds of fears and worries. Life is becoming increasingly difficult instead of easy. Opportunity to laugh and be happy are constantly being snatched away from us. But let's still laugh and a little smile. They stress some. Here are some light jokes for you. A hawker was going out making a sound in the street. Get the scissors, knives etc. sharpened. A witty gentleman who thought himself to be smart, come out of his house and killed the hawker and asked, "Why, brother, do you sharpen your intelligence, our intelligence?" The hawker said in a simple way, "Yes, sir, I will sharpen my wisdom. If you have it, then bring it." When the new manager took over the office in an office, one by one of the employees already working there called everyone to his room and in turn wanted information about them along with their introduction. Who has been working since when is when Ramlal's turn come for a clerk. After introduction, the new manager asked Ramlal, "How long have you been working in this office?" Ramlal readily replied, "Sir, ever since the boss before you threatened to be fired." Calling a prisoner sentenced to death, a soldier of the jail said to him, "Come on, brother, now it's time to hang you." The prisoner said in surprise and trouble, "But sir, I was going to be hanged after 20 days. Why is it being given so soon?" The soldier said in a normal manner, "The jailer has sympathy for you. He has gone saying that you are from his village, so he has said that your work has to be done first." Two friends were drinking and chatting with sitting near a wine bar when a person started consuming more alcohol. The poetry inside him come out. He started humming. When we passed through his street, he saw Chowbara. Chowbara meaning uh, courtyard. When he passed through his street, he saw Chowbara. Another drunkard encouraged him. Wah 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 wah. When he passed through his street, he was seen 4 times. Exquisite. When next, first the drunkard narrated the next line. When he passed through his street, he was seen, he saw Chowbara. When his mother said it, she said, "Will break my arms and legs," which appeared here again. So these were jokes to make you laugh, smile, tickle. How did you feel? Please do let me now by commenting. If you want any joke to be included in my upcoming video, please send it in Hindi or English on WhatsApp number 789514 3358. I will try to read your jokes in an upcoming video. Please like this channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get notification of my upcoming entertaining, informative and thought uh, provoking videos. Please support my channel by sharing it. I will be very grateful to all of you. Your cooperation given to me will help me to do better work in future. Thank you very much for watching this video. Victory to India, Jai Democracy, Jai Constitution, Jai struggling working people, help farmers. Thank you. Many thanks for you.